Hi you guys, so today I thought I would do a little vlog and I wanted to, Max, oh my goodness, he had to do that right now, didn't you Max? Max, looks like we have to get you a new scratching post and now his fingernail's stuck. Oh my goodness, but anyway, I wanted to do a little vlog today, and I'm also gonna be cleaning Mochi's cage. Well, I cleaned her cage the other day and I filmed, like, you know, the process of that, so I will have that part sped up for you guys that I will have in this video. And then yeah, I thought we would just kind of talk. Also, Mochi is doing really well. See anything, you know, different about her or anything like that. Also, I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you guys sending me such kind and sweet words about Charlie and Jake, and I just wanted you all to know that I really appreciate all of your comments. I read every single one of them, so thank you for that. This is what Mochi's cage looks like right now. It's a bit messed up. I haven't done like the spot cleaning for today, and I know these lights are probably really annoying, but I think if I turn them off it might be a little bit too dark. Oh, actually no, that's a little bit better actually. I think you guys can actually see what's inside of it. I was planning on doing like a theme for this month, but then I decided not to do one just because of everything that happened with Charlie and Jake, and I just kind of really wasn't in the mood to, you know, go all out and do like a whole, you know, theme. But next month I will probably have another theme. If you guys want like a cage tour still though or something, I can definitely do that for you guys. Just let me know down below. I still want to add a few things in here because I kind of feel like it's a little bare at the moment, but Mochi's been really enjoying it, and when you guys see the sped up or the time lapse of me cleaning it, you guys get to see her running around and all that good stuff. But right now she is sleeping. Lately she's been sleeping in this little green house back in there, so I don't want to like disturb her or anything, so we're just gonna let her sleep. Also, I am thinking about getting her a new cage, you guys, but we're gonna talk about that a little bit later in this video, so I'll save it for later. I'm just really glad that Mochi is doing well. I'm taking you guys with over here, and I'm sorry if you see any disgusting mess behind me, but I went ahead and put, let me turn this light on. This is the storage room, so it's kind of a humongous mess right now, and it's sort of embarrassing, but I went ahead and put the Critter Nation in here for now. I scrubbed it completely down, like I think 5 or 6 times. So I'm hoping that it is clean enough. You know, I'm probably going to clean it again, but I think that 5 or 6 times was, you know, pretty well. I know a lot of you guys said or let me know that I should probably toss everything that was in their cage. So I took your advice and I did go ahead and toss a bunch or a lot of the stuff that was in the cage. The only thing I didn't toss was this hut right here, and what I did was I actually just put it into the oven and I baked it, so all the bacteria and everything should be gone. I was at first thinking about maybe possibly in the future maybe turning this into a hamster cage, but then I thought probably not, so I'm just keeping it in the storage room for now, and you know, maybe in the future when I do get some more rats or something, I'll have it, you know, the cage available, but for now I have it in the storage room. see you. I see you. I have the window open right now so they can have some fresh air in here. He likes to go outside, so he's kind of like an outdoor-indoor cat. Luna, on the other hand, is strictly indoors. Even though she has gotten out a couple of times and sneaked past me, that she is strictly indoor. What are you doing, Luna? That thing is like shredded. I need to get new ones. Every time when I get, you know, those big cat houses, they destroy them so fast. It's crazy. But, yeah, Max used to be feral. I don't know. I know many of you guys have been on my channel probably for a very, very long time and know that Max is a feral cat. He has a tipped ear. So, he, you know, used to live outside, you know, full time. So, that's why I don't want to just like keep him inside. Because, you know, grown up with being outside. So, right, Max? Max? Yes, you are talking about you. But anyway, I wanted to talk a little bit about Mochi's cage right here. I love the cage. I really, really do. As I'm sure a lot of you guys know, it is an acrylic terrarium, and it's usually for reptiles. And I had found it off of eBay. And let me tell you, it was very, very pricey. I feel like it was completely overpriced. I wanted something different, and you know, that's why I wanted to get that one, because I've had the IKEA Detolf as a hamster cage for so long that I was just kind of like done with it. And even though it is a great cage, don't get me wrong, like it is an amazing hamster cage. It's just, I think I would really like to get something else. But anyway, I love this cage, except for the fact that I feel like it's too small. Even though, you know, it's like way over the minimum, you know, requirements, I still feel like it's small, and I don't know, I kind of feel like Mochi deserves something bigger. I feel like once I put the wheel, because she does have the senior wheel, Wodent wheel, and which is 11 inches, I feel like that takes up so much space. And you know, I bought the Carolina Storm wheel. Love that wheel so much, and Mochi loves it too. It's just, it's so humongous. And when I put it in this cage, up like half the side of the cage, you know, and I really want her to use that wheel though too, you know, because it is such a great wheel, and it comes in so many different colors, you know. It's really, really nice. I love that wheel, and I love Wodent wheels. Those are probably my two most favorite wheels ever. I'll have to do like a video on it at some point, but Wodent wheels I am obsessed with. I love Wodent wheels so much. You guys hear my daughter in the background? She is crawling around and talking. So anyway, like I was saying, so I've been looking around, and I know so many of you have this cage, and it is the Living World Eco, what is it called again? Oh my goodness. Let me find it. So it's the Living World Green Eco Habitat, and it is humongous. I'll just insert a picture here or something so you guys can know exactly what I mean. This cage is absolutely amazing, and it is huge. I need a cage with a lid because I have cats. I cannot be without a lid, so I had to find something that would have a lid and was, you know, a great size, something that I could have for a very long time and can house, you know, hamsters, you know, for a while in there, you know. So that is what I looked up, and this whole time I thought, you know, I'm not going to be able to get my hands on one because they are over in Europe. They're only available in Europe. So I was so bummed, but then I checked on eBay, and there is someone selling it, and they ship internationally. Was it completely overpriced? Probably. But you know what? In the long run, I think that this cage is going to be amazing for Mochi and for any future hamsters, you know, that I'm gonna have And I don't know, I love it so much. It has wheels underneath, and I don't know, it has a top. It's clear, you know, I think it's gonna be perfect. So I thought, okay, let's just go ahead and get that one. I'm not gonna get rid of my acrylic cage just because, you know, it costs a lot of money and I don't want to just toss it away. So I'm gonna keep it and maybe put it in like a different room, and then maybe put like Mochi in that cage for like a little playtime or something, like in the living room when I'm sitting in the living room or something. So I'm gonna figure out, I am gonna use it, get some use out of it at some point, but I think the best bet to make Mochi the happiest is to get her a very, very big cage. So I'm really excited about that one. I will have a video when I do get it in. It's supposed to be coming in March, at some point in March, beginning of March, not the end or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know when I get the cage, and we'll like put Mochi in it and get it all ready for her, and I'll film all that for you guys. Next to me now, Max. Max, are you sitting next to me now? You silly, see if you guys can see right here, his ears tipped right there. Max, but yeah, right here, there it is. So that just shows that he to be feral, and we adopted you, buddy, didn't we? Yes, we did. He's such a good cat. He really, really is. Both of them are. They are such lovely kitties. Yes, we are. Yeah, I think that is all of the updates so far. I'm probably forgetting something, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog now here, and we are going to probably just go and clean up down here a little bit because it's kind of a mess in the living room area. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Max, say bye. Max, say bye. Bye-bye.